Welcome back to my video. Oh, don't mind about my background anyway, but as you know, I will continue on talk to you more about some very interesting and amazing topics. Today we're going to talk about something that is a little complex, but I think it's very helpful for you when you learn some subjects at school. And today we're going to talk about one of the most essential parts that will assist you in protecting you from bacteria, viruses, or diseases. The most serious one, like cancer or other kind of diseases, like chickenpox, like that. So today we're going to talk about something which just make you ill whenever it protects you from the strangers or the invaders from the outside. That's right. Today we're going to talk about our immune system. Our immune system has many roles, but first let's imagine some story. Nowadays there's a lot of mosquito. It depends on some places, but my house doesn't have much, but it sometimes bite me. And when the mosquito bites you, it injects with chemicals, which then leads to an itch. It's when you scratch your hand like this, you feel itchy. That's when a mosquito bites you. And that shows that your immune system is active because it is protecting you from the chemical that the mosquito send into your skin and your body also. So in conclusion, the role of your immune system is to safeguard your body from infections, illnesses, and also diseases. And there are a network of cells, tissues, and organs too. So your immune system consists of millions of elements and kind of particle, and I don't know what theirs really is, but I think it's very complex inside. And they are the main parts which help in most of the consequences when the invaders enter our body. For example, like the white blood cells, or we call it leukocytes. They are they migrate through our blood and lymphatic vessels, and they kill toxins and waste. And there's a very overwhelmed number about their identity is about 4,000 to 11,000 white blood cells or leukocytes per microliter of blood in our body. Oh my gosh, it's so much, right? And you can imagine how small and minuscule they are when there are about thousands of them around in the body now. They are moving. And they work like a security personnel because they detect the suspicious signs of invaders, and then if there are some invaders, the immune system will immediately kick in. That is like a response of the invaders. And there are also antigens. Antigens are a kind of element that betray the presence of invaders. I think it will transmit the information of the invaders to the body. And there are two types of leukocytes. The first one is phagocytes. They trigger the immune response by sending macrophages and dendritic cells into blood. And then they destroy the foreign cells, or we call it the invaders, by just consuming it. Like we eat something. And they can also identify invaders' antigen, and then they will transmit the information of the invaders' antigen to the lymphocytes. The lymphocytes is the second type of the leukocytes. They can coordinate defenses really good. And they have T cells, which is in search of the infected cells and then kill them. And there are also B cells and have T cells, which produce special protein, which are antibodies, and they will stop producing millions of antibodies until the threat is neutralized. It means when it is balanced, your body is balanced again, and they can stabilize your body again, and everything works well. And when your immune system is active, there are some symptoms like high temperature, like when you are ill, or swelling. This when they aid the immune response due to the warmer body because bacteria and viruses can't reproduce and spread when there's a high temperature, and they are temperature sensitive too. And when you have swelling, there's a fluid leak which can attract phagocytes into consuming more invaders. That's really efficient. And how long can they defeat all of the invaders? Can they eradicate a threat in a few days? I think it's around 2 or 3 days. That's the day where you can have high temperature and you can be ill. And what is the purpose? The purpose is actually stopping a threat, not by making you ill. So whenever you think that you are ill, you think that, oh, there's something wrong with my body. Because of my immune system, I think. No, not really. They are fighting with the invaders, and they're using some of the ways to make the fight more efficient for them. So they make your body warmer by making you ill. And the next time, they will remember the threat when they already finished the invader or their enemy. And in the future attacks, they are stopped faster, which are the threats, because we have already developed long-term immunity. However, there are some people which have autoimmune when the immune system when they release some of the chemicals and some of the parts like white blood cells or something else, they just kill the healthy cells. I think it's just a mistake and is a strange phenomenon, but I think it won't affect much to us or to people who have this kind of thing. And the second one is disorders. They are varying degrees, and they can sabotage the immune system or the immune function too. Oh, that's really bad. And do you know that when your body don't have any immune system, what will happen? There are millions or human will be extinct because we don't have anything to defend or to protect us from the threats outside. And one tiny bacteria can kill you in just milliseconds. Yes, that's right. And tiny injuries like cut or something else and colds can become severe and fatal too. But remember that a good immune system can protect you from all kind of threats, and they're a nice friend of yours. And you should be thankful to them too, because you can live until now one part of them is one part of the effort. And that's the end of my video. Remember to be healthy, and always remember that when you're ill, it's just a common phenomenon when your body is protecting you from invaders. Okay, and bye bye.